Hello, terrific clarinet players. This video is part 2 in a series about band daily habits, a free warm-up I made just for you. Links are in the description for the free Smart Music Assessment and also the sheet music. If this is helping you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. Hey folks, so a couple clarinet specific things before we get into the general stuff. Number one, that first note that you see is a G. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 in the right hand. If you're having trouble getting that note out, I suggest walking it down. So play C, play B, play A, and then play G in that order, and make sure every single one of those come out really good before you try to just throw down a G and play it by itself. Other thing that you noticed in this one is that you have some higher notes that are semi-new, the B flat, for instance. At B flat, A, and G, I'm playing all of those with my right hand. This is to help with the intonation and also to help with the resonance of the note. Those notes are called throat tones, and they're not particularly good on our instrument when we're first starting out on our clarinet journey. So keep the right hand down for that. The only tricky part will be is when you get down to the F, E, and the D and the C at the very end, be sure that you lift up off of the right hand when you go to play the F, E, and the D. That'll be really obvious because it won't come out. It sound kind of bad. Last thing is just regarding the slurs. So every time you see these things, they're slurs. Only articulate the first of each of these passages. So tongue, slur, slur. Tongue, slur, 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 slur. That means no tonguing on those notes. Just on the first one. Okay, that does it. If this helped, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Keep up the terrific work. You're doing great. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.